Last week, your god haters, which is me, made almost $11,537.18. And the cool part is, it's full profit. Now, it is not dropshipping because dropshipping is the most saturated business right now. And this is not Amazon FBA because to get started with Amazon FBA, you need at least $2,000 to $5,000 to make it successful. Now, what is it? How your god haters made this kind of money in a week? My boys and girls, the answer is affiliate marketing. Well now, some people say, yo haters, you're already a billionaire so you can invest some of your money and become rich in no time. Well guys, listen up. The total investment I made to make this kind of money is just $27 US. And if you don't have at least $15 to invest into a business, then I think business is not for you, my boys and girls. Now I believe you get an idea about how valuable this video will be because I am going to explain A to Z of how I make money from affiliate marketing. So keep watching. Now, to people who don't know what is affiliate marketing, it is an online business model where you play the role of a middleman. For example, if a company wants to sell a product using affiliate marketing, they first create an affiliate offer and the people who are interested in affiliate marketing can easily go and promote the product for a commission. Now let's go through a step-by-step process to become successful in affiliate marketing. Step number 1, picking the right platform to promote. There's a countless amount of affiliate platform you can go with, but choosing the right platform will make your business life 10x better. So when it comes to affiliate platforms, the number 1 platform I would recommend is ClickBank. You may already heard about it, but it is the best platform for complete beginners. Now here's the catch my guys, if you stick with me till the end, I'm gonna show you the best platform you can use in 2021 that will make you money every single month passively. Which means if you put in the work right now, then you will get paid every single month without any additional work. You get the idea, right? So if you want to learn that, watch this video till the end. Step number 2, picking the right product. You can sell a $10 product to 10 people or a $15 product to 2 people to make $100. Which one is better? Selling to 2 people or 10? Unless you don't have a brain, everybody knows that selling a $50 product to 2 people is the better way. So picking the product which has greater commission rate will also help you to make money in less time. So here are some of the things you need to keep in mind before picking a product. Number 1. The product you are trying to sell should at least need an $80 commission per sale. Number 2. The product should need to be in health, wealth or relationship niche because those are the easiest niche to get into. Number 3. The product should need to have a generic massive appeal. In other words, the product works for both men and women. And finally, number 4, the product needs to solve a real life problem. So make sure you go through this checklist before picking a product to promote. You get the idea, right? Now my boys and girls, if you're still watching the video, then the chances are you'll probably find some kind of value. You know what I'm trying to say? So make sure you subscribe to learn the secret of making money and everything you need to become successful in life. You know what I'm trying to say, right? Well, let's get back to track. Step number 3, marketing. Well, here comes the elephant in the room. It doesn't matter which product or platform you choose. If you are not good at marketing, then you are done. But not anymore, because I got you, my child. So the best way I use to promote this affiliate product is native ads. Maybe some of you already heard about it, but if those who don't know, native ads are the ads you see on some of the news websites. Here are some of the examples. So now I am not going too deep into native ads, but in the description I will mention some links that will help you to learn native ads. So after you finish watching this video, make sure you check those out. Because guys, listen up again. Without marketing, your business is nothing. Step number 4, mindset. This is the most crucial one. Listen up folks, mind is the key to become successful. Maybe you will not see big result in your first week, but that doesn't mean you are a failure. Always remember, people will not fail until they quit. So you need to believe in yourself and keep up the work. Also, you need the blessing of the god haters. And luckily, I'm here. You know that, right? So to get my blessing, all you wanna do is make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. You know that, right? So finally, here's the surprise you guys are waiting for. The real secret to make affiliate money passively. So the only way to do this is by promoting a product that has recurring payment. For example, here's a product called ClickFunnels. And here's the beauty. I get up to 40% commission for each sale at first. Plus, I receive affiliate commission every month until the customer leaves the software. So now, I hope you get a small idea about what I'm trying to say. In short, if you need to make passive income, you need to focus more on products that provide recurring payment. And I will mention some of the companies or some of the softwares that do have recurring payment in the description. So make sure you check it out. So now guys, I know this 10-minute video will not help you at the fullest to understand affiliate marketing. So one of my girl called Arila Loria, who is a successful affiliate marketer, created a 1-hour free masterclass where you can get deep knowledge about starting a 6-figure affiliate marketing business. So before you leave this video, make sure you attend that free 1-hour masterclass. You can find the class link in my description. Anyway folks, as I said, make sure you like this video to get my godly blessing. And see you on the next one. Haters out.